got this little 3 horsepower Evinrude that I'm going to put up for sale, and she runs good. Pretty clean. Little 3 horse. I just got it in my little bucket there. But it's a little tiller, 2-stroke. So 2-stroke, 3 horsepower. And take the cowl off. So take a good look at that. Cow's in real good shape. She's pretty clean. Not sure why they put the extra. It's like extra cotter pads they gave you. I don't know why. Yeah, pretty clean. It's got good compression. It's just a single tank gas. It doesn't have, you know, like a fuel can hookup, although if you wanted to, you could do that. But I adjusted the carb, kind of got it about right. It should just start off. I got the camera rolling, so who knows. So I got my small bucket on here. I could put it in gear, and it does go in gear, but I don't want to run all the water out of it. I can show it for whoever. Get a bigger bucket, and we put it in gear, and you can see that it does go in gear, and props in good shape. This engine doesn't have reverse, so when it's in neutral, right, this will spin this way. This is still going to spin some, right? Because it doesn't have reverse, because the thing turns all the way around. You put it 4 gear, and then we're in 4 gear, see? It would turn the head, but backwards. Anyway, so that works. And here's a switch over here on the side. You know, right now I'm going forward, you can see that's neutral. See, it doesn't have a reverse, but this thing turns almost all the way around. So there's your reverse. Anyway, I don't know how you're going to do that, but on a small boat, I guess you could. Yeah, I would have sold this one. I guess till next time.
I used to hear 'em talking the story.